Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open Chat, OpenAI. Calm and sign in using your account credentials now. Click the paperclip icon or the Upload File button in the message box. Drag and drop your PDF or choose it from your device's file picker to start. Wait while the file uploads. Progress appears as a percentage and a bar. After upload completes, type instructions describing what you want analyzed or summarized in clear terms. Check file size limits and supported formats before uploading to avoid errors and delays. Send the message, and the assistant will process the PDF and respond with results. Confirm your subscription level supports file uploads if required by the platform. Use the file preview to jump to pages or to confirm document formatting before sending. If the PDF is large, split it into sections or compress it before uploading for faster processing. Remove sensitive information or redact pages to protect privacy before sharing with the assistant. For scanned PDFs, enable OCR or convert to text to improve analysis accuracy and searchability. Limit uploads to under 50 MB when possible to avoid slow or failed transfers and timeout. After the assistant returns results, ask specific follow-up questions referencing page numbers for clarity. Cite pages using page numbers like page 5 to extract exact passages or summaries you need. Download the assistant's annotated file or copy extracted text for your records and citation. To remove the file, open the chat options and delete attachments or clear chat history from your account. Troubleshoot upload errors by refreshing the page, trying another browser, or clearing cache to resolve transient issues. Check file permissions if uploads fail due to system restrictions on your device or network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.